So here I have the Arduino Mega. I'm going to demonstrate how the program works. Here it is, the program, and this is how it works. Here we have all the connections that took the energy in the program to this, and this cable is taking the energy to this path, and this resistance is taking the energy from here to here. So here to here, this cable is transmitting the energy. The second one, the energy is going through here, and with this resistance, this one, the energy is going from this part to this part, and that's why the first LED lights up. Then the same with the second one. The energy comes from here to here, and with the resistance it goes from here to here, and then the LED lights up. So that's how you can turn on the LEDs. And here you can see the sequence: the first LED, second LED, third LED, fourth LED, fifth LED, sixth LED, and it repeats. So that's the challenge number 2. I hope you like, teacher. And I need to do some modifications because the cable to ground wasn't transmitting energy, but here is what I made. Thank you. So here it is, the first command code. Before I knew that byte setup goes between int LED 5 and pin mode, because that's the code we did before the teacher explained us about how it really was. And then you can see the explanation of what that part are supposed to do. The image is horizontally because it didn't fit vertical, so there it is. Then here it is, the final code. Now the difference is that the voice setup is between LED 6 and pin mode, because when you put the int LED 1, int LED 2, int LED 3, you are only saying that there are components, but in voice setup you are putting like where they are and what they are gonna do. So if you put voice setup before int the LEDs, it won't work, and that's why here it is, the correct code, and also it is explained in a more reduced way, but it is correct, and that's why we need to put the both codes. Finally, I will explain the code that I use, because the final code didn't work in my Arduino. So here I put int to all the LEDs, but as you see I put 7 LEDs because LED 1 isn't a LED. It is the cable that is taking the energy from there to there. So this cable is going all through this. So that's how all the LEDs can light, because if we take this one, it doesn't work. I discovered that when I was making it. So now if you can see, when I put this one, it works, but when I take it doesn't work. So that's why I made 7 LEDs, because this one is working as a LED, and that's why here is like 7 LED, because I had it before like this. I took off the cable, And put the LED right there. So I had that LED always lighted. I didn't know why that happened, but as you see, the sequence goes, but the LED keeps lighted. That's why I changed it. So here I'm going to explain the code. So remember, the LED 1 is the cable that we saw, and LED 7 will be like the real LED 1, or if you want to see it, it would be the LED 7. So pin mode. Output is the place where it is coming. So here you can see 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and 2. The 2 is the one that was here of this LED. Here it is. So first I need to put the LED 7 that was the cable that was here, and that's how it will give all the current to the circuit. And then there they are, how the LED will light and how they are going to go low. LED 4 will go high during 1000 milliseconds, that is equal to 1 second, and then the LED 4 goes low. LED 5 goes high during a second, and then LED 5 goes low, and it repeats all around the circuit. So the exception that I made was that I use another LED in parentheses to give current to all the circuit. So thanks, teacher.